Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again. I'm going to talk about something very different and very interesting. I'm sure you might be aware about full moon and new moon, which we call as Purnima and Amavasya. लेकिन कभी आपने सोचा है कि पौर्णिमा और अमावस्या का इम्पैक्ट स्टॉक मार्केट पे किस तरीके से हो सकता है? How will stock prices or index prices behave on the basis of this simple moon cycle? We call it as a lunar cycle. And I'm going to share across a chart very quickly. And if you see this chart, you can simply understand how markets can be forecasted by looking at lunar cycle. So let me just share across very quickly, and you will be thrilled to see how accurately it works. So cycle helps us to understand when the lows are going to be formed and how prices can behave from there. So if you look at the overall chart, this is the chart which I want to show you. This is known as Nifty moon cycle. If you look at this chart, you can clearly see that after the lows, after the full moon, so the bottom one is a full moon, this is a new moon. New moon means Amavasya, full moon means this is known as Purnima. After every full moon, maybe a day or two later, जरूरी नहीं है वही दिन पे, a day or two later, we see there is upward thrust in the market. You can see it happening all over the places, right from the bottom where it started, and it has continued to happen right here. Over here, it was more like a sideways trend, and even the important low formed after 2 days of the full moon. And right here, over here, again the low was formed and the rally happened. And here is where we stand again. So I'm not saying that we should be rallying, but if prices break the resistance level again on the upside, that will indicate the cycle has kicked in. So you have to combine price with time. If you combine both of these tools together, trading accuracy can be skyrocket high. Majority of the traders I have seen are focusing on price and price alone, not on the time. But something like this I call as a Nifty moon cycle. You can call it as a lunar cycle. You can call it as a Purnami cycle. It works brilliantly. You can clearly see that. In fact, period between the new moon and the full moon, you see it consolidation on majority of the occasion. If you see this, the consolidation happens on majority of the time when the period is between the new moon and the full moon. That is also very interesting outcome from this one simple chart. If you follow this chart, you know how the cycles behave, and you should learn about this simple time cycle concept, and you will be amazed to see how the Nifty moon cycle impacts, how the moon cycle or the lunar cycle impacts the market, and that results into a different. So understand this concept in totality along with price confirmation and increase your trading accuracy. This is Ashish Kyal here. We are SEBI registered research analysts, Wave Strategy Advisors, and this is purely from educational perspective. I'm not recommending on anything. OCL or Wave Strategy Advisors does not bear any liability for the same. These are my contact details. You can follow me on YouTube at @KyalAshish, Twitter at @KyalAshish. Toss across your questions, and I will be more than happy to answer them personally. And keep trading, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you very much.